I just want you guys to look at something. Look at Charizard and Ash. Look at that, Moltres, Team Valor, Team Trash. Pidgeot, Ash. Yeah. So I didn't know this, but Dodrio's speed is faster than Zapdos? Does that make sense? So we're gonna see how far we can get with this. Bird Keeper versus Bird Keeper. Gonna use whatever drill peck. It doesn't matter.
What now? Miss the target. What's this? The substitute was used up. What a furious battle! What's that? There, it's a hit! It blew up again! Fireworks are flying in this battle!
Should probably just switch out and use Zapdos, but I don't really want to. Maybe you can miss.
What'll it do? The substitute disappeared! Neither one...
I guess normal types can't be paralyzed. Some weird stuff like that.
What now? That's a good hit!
So normal types in this gen can't be paralyzed. That's weird.
What's this? Boom! Sparks are flying in this heated match!
Huh, mirror move. Didn't know that. I guess normal types can't be paralyzed in the game or in the video game, in the little video game, in the cartridge versus the stadium. We're gonna let Dodrio die. Hopefully this Hyper Beam will do some damage. Oh wow, look at that. That's crazy.
Fire blast! Oh, that's a miss.
How do you miss? You're literally the best legendary out there and you accidentally became a legendary.
It can't make a move. Savage attack. Yeah, it's a hit.
Oh, if you missed twice in a row, I would have laughed my butt off.
What Pokemon will be fighting next? Oh, it's Zapdos! We're evenly matched with 2 Pokemon aside.
So we're gonna put up a sub because we don't want anything to happen to Zapdos. And of course it's gonna use Fire Blast.
What's that? The substitute was used up.
Oh, fine.
What a furious battle! Thunderbolt!
Get out of here, Team Valor. Nobody likes you.
There's only one Pokemon left in reserve.
I was hoping that that thing would pass.
Oh, it's Zapdos!
Oh, you didn't even bring your own Zapdos?
The remaining Pokemon stock is
You brought, like, literally the worst team. Like, you could have brought anything else. You literally brought the worst team. You thought I was going to bring Articuno forever. Get out of here. You are the worst bird catcher ever. I am a much better bird catcher than you. Just whooped your butt. Look, I brought my own moltres. Get out of here.